Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. We're going to make a chickpeas salad and it's super easy to make. I want to show you what we need. Chickpeas, this is just it's from the supermarket, they're already pre-cooked. Some tomato, red onion, cucumber, some red peppers, rocket, lemon juice and lemon zest, Dijon mustard if you like, and salt and pepper. Already this one I wash with water and drain a little bit. Okay? You're gonna need a nice bowl to make this salad. I'm gonna use this, my beautiful chickpea inside. We make some space. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends. If you can subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Guys, now we take the tomatoes and you can chop in 4. Tomato inside. Cucumber. I don't want to annoy you, I want to show you. Guys, chop as well your onion, not too small, not too thick. I like that. And spread on top. Look already, nice color mix. Okay. The rocket, I recommend just chop roughly like that. Put in some salt and pepper. Mix again. Oh yeah, it's so nice. Okay, now take your time. We need quite a good amount of the zest. This is from 2 lemons I use, okay? Put in the bowl. A nice teaspoon of Dijon mustard, maybe 2. We need the lemon juice. I'm gonna use 1 whole lemon. Olive oil. Maybe it's around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything. Oh. Pepper, a little touch salt, and guys, go in. If we're gonna need some more oil, we can add. Mix everything now properly. The job is done. Simple, but absolutely wow, and sharp, delicious. Guys, my chickpea salad is this. Always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!